Nigerian court orders Secret Police (DSS) to release Herders Union Miyetti Allah president pending trial. Somebody is on trial. You say they should release him. What do you mean by they should release him? They've started. Somebody that is terrorizing farmers. You are telling them that they should release him. Justice Muhammadu Zubairu ordered the Attorney General of the Federation, Chief Lateef Adenisan, and Director General of the SSS, otherwise called Department of State Services (DSS), Adeola Ajayi, to immediately admit him to administrative bail. Can you imagine? Oh, this country now. The News Agency of Nigeria reports. An Abuja High Court has ordered the State Security Service (SSS) to release the detained president of Miyetti Allah, Kautal Hore Bello Bodejo, pending his trial. Why? Why should they release him? Pending trial. Why? Because of what? You did not order them to release Dele Farotimi pending his trial for defamation of whatever. But somebody that is this country, now what? Justice Mohammed Zubairu ordered the Attorney General of the Federation, Chief Lateef Adenisan, and Director General of the SSS, otherwise called Department of State Services (DSS), Adeola Ajayi, to immediately admit him to administrative bail, the News Agency of Nigeria reports. Justice Zubairu, a vacation judge, gave the order after an ex parte motion moved by Bodejo's counsel, Reuben Atabo, San. Although the motive ex parte marked M/16976/2024 was moved by Atabo on Monday, the certified true copy of the order was made available to journalists on Tuesday. Bodejo, in the motion dated and filed on December 19, pleaded with the court to order his release from the detention of SSS, also known as CSS, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive application. They should release you pending. I don't understand. I do not understand that one. And yes, they are giving order that they should release him. Can you imagine? He also sought an order granting him leave to apply for the order of habeas corpus subjiciendum against the respondent. Habeas corpus subjiciendum is a Latin phrase and a legal term used to describe a writ that is directed to someone who is detaining another person to inquire into the legality of the detention. The Miyetti Allah president sued the AGF and the SSSDG as first and second respondents. These people are really, they are something. No, he's even suing the AGF and SSSDG. No wahala. Maybe it's because they are giving them chance, giving them grounds. Can you just imagine? He sought an interim order directing the respondent to forthwith produce the applicants from detention for him to be released, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive application for habeas corpus subjiciendum. Delivering the ruling, Justice Zubairu acknowledged the statutory powers of the respondent to prevent crime and criminality, which include arrest, detention, and prosecution of offenders. The judge, however, held that these powers are subject to constitutional limits restriction, as provided under Section 35 of 1999 Constitution, which stipulates that a suspect can only be detained within 24 or 48 hours. Where was this Constitution when Dele Farotimi was in prison? Where was this Constitution? That lady that was arrested, where is this Constitution? Because that girl now, she's still in prison. She's still there, spending her Christmas there. And you are saying that the Constitution stipulates that a suspect can only be detained within 24 or 48 hours. Really? Because it don't involve your people now. According to him, the 24 or 48 hours is sacrosanct. The judge said courts must be ready and up and doing to ensure the constitutional provisions are adhered to and not violated. The laws are for who people again? For the great people in the country. The laws, it doesn't favor masses, it doesn't favor the poor people. It doesn't favor the people that are against the government. But look at this one that is causing problems, going to people's farm, killing them, making farmers not scared to go to their farm again. He's telling us that it is sacrosanct. They should release them within 24 hours. Now what? In the case at hand, having gone through the deposition of Hawa Muhammad Bodejo, in the supporting affidavit, you are moved to grant leave to the applicant to apply for an order of habeas corpus. I further order the applicant shall file the substantive application within 24 hours from today for the purpose of determining the merits of or otherwise of the application. In a society like ours, where we operate constitutional democracy, which democracy? An individual ought not to be detained beyond the constitutionality guarantee period without an order of the court. A whole lot of people that are in prison now, that are still awaiting trial, but they are still in prison. They were not released within 24 or 48 hours. But it's sacrosanct on a Miyetti Allah president. Abi? No wahala. Oh, from the available facts, the applicant has not been arraigned before any court since 9th of December 2024. On this ground, I order the respondents to produce the applicants before this court pending the hearing and determination of the application for habeas corpus, or the respondent should grant the applicant an administrative bail. The judge adjourned the matter until December 13 for hearing. Oh, so until December 13 now, he is free to go. He's free to move about. Abi? No wahala. Sunday Amos says one of the owners of Nigeria can never be allowed to stay in detention more than expected. Abi now? Their cows are also respected more than the owners of the farm they destroy. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine the kind of country we are living? They should release him. The constitution says they should release them between 24 hours and 48 hours. Really? Distinguished Ali says release him and continue destroying our farm's good. Abi now? Since that is what they want. No wahala. Kingsley Yitaman says this man is a problematic person. We know now. He was arrested for registering a tribal security organization in Nasarawa State and later released unconditionally, and is there again with another case of his tribal boys attacking a Nigerian army general with firearms. Can you imagine him? Attacking Nigerian army, and yet they want to release him. No wahala, we dey here. Mark Lawrence says funny, Nnamdi Kanu couldn't be released after court orders. We already know this one will be released now, so they are the owners of Nigeria. We dey wait. Very funny country. A funny country indeed. A very, very funny country indeed. Salisu Garba says Nigerian government will not release this man because he's behind insecurity in the north. Are you blind? Did you not see that they want to release him now? And you think that the Nigerian government don't know about his release? They know what they are doing now. Our leaders are the cause of insecurity in this country. They are aware of it. They know the people that are doing it, but they'll rather not do anything. No wahala. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.